Royal Queen Tea, and I'm at my favorite store again in Portland, and I bought myself the Harley-Davidson 50C Bluetooth headset, and this one has a camera, so I'm gonna be testing this and give you feedback. But I have my friend Johnny here who did the installation, and he will explain more about the benefits of this headset.
Alright, so benefits on the 50C, first of all, 4K camera. So you can video record all your fancy adventure riding, or if there's anything that comes up. So the Bluetooth Rockford Fosgate speakers in it. The nice thing is if you have an additional system, you can go up to 8 km range between you and say a buddy that's riding with you on their separate bike.
Okay.
The sound system will also increase volume as you increase speed for wind noise. It can take ambient noises out of it. There's a lot of features to it.
Oh, okay. So be on the lookout. I'm gonna be giving you feedback on on the quality of everything he just mentioned. So yeah, see you on the road.